Hi guys, I hope all of you are doing great. Right now I am at Ayida Honda showroom de ina se and apne nete gari duita dikha do. This is Honda Elevate. This is V second base variant and this is ZX which is top variant. Idu video de share kurule tha do je about here Apex edition. So Apex edition de yate accessories kits khan kunba ekdam word yate install kuri na ase. So suppose apne jodi Honda Elevate kinule ase boile V and VX variant de Apex edition install kuri dibo. So apne jodi tu install kurise boli do ekdam top variant is na dikhe. Idu one moi idu duita la short pra compare kurna yate Apex edition de ki accessories kan ase moi apne short pra dikhai debo with features and finance details. So let's quickly begin the video of Honda Elevate. This is V variant which is second base variant. Holi yate features bishi ase. Amian features ki lage yate sob ase de and idu laga ex showroom price starting ase 12,71,000 and if you want to include Apex edition apnen poisa bishi save kuribole paribo moi apnen ke dikhai dibo and taila key du enia thakibo with central lock duita bi keyless thakibo keyless ase and that will be top variant to itu duita moi short compare kuri dise boli du yate alloy wheels ase yate alloy wheels na thakibo itu 16 inch ase 17 inch thakibo ground clearance will be same which is 220 mm ekdom bishi ase 220 mm ground clearance and dimensions kan duita labi same thakibo yate sunroof ase yate sunroof na thakibo push start button ase yate bi push start button ase cruise control ase yate cruise control na thakibo 10 inch laga infotainment system ase yate 8 inch laga infotainment system thakibo and yate lane watch camera thakibo on the left side ORVM de holibi yate lane watch camera na thakibo but yate 4-door power windows thakibo and you can adjust from the driver door panel itu thakibo and backside rear armrest ase yate rear armrest na thakibo to simple ra saise bole itu duita la difference ase and engine specs kan it don't sob same thakibo and even the dimensions. This is 1.5 liter petrol engine produces 121 horsepower and torque test saise bole 145 newton meter of torque thakibo to moi apnenke short pra koi dise yate front profile de saise bole yate LED headlight ase DRL thakibo fog light na thakibo yate bi same DRL LED headlight but yate fog light thakibo and if you just look at the front profile radiator grill kan skid plate you can sob thakibo yate bi same ase khali difference ta abo if you want to install Apex edition you have to pay another 15,000 rupees but apnen 15,000 pay kurise bole apnen poisa dia isina value pawo apnen ge accessories kan because moita apnen ge accessories kundu dikhawole ase apnen jodi Apex edition du nuluige na if you're installing bahar de hobi nulubi showroom ban lagai chole du it will cost around 45,000 to 45,000 la cost to apnen ge 15,000 de yate pura kit kan install korina didibo to ki ase Apex edition de mo short problem ki kudibole mon ase yate already skid plate ase to yate apnen bar dikhi ase side skirt idu all over the body thakibo de yate front de side skirt ase even yate bi side skirt ase idu to piano black finish te thakibo and even back side tv yate thakibo side skirt and rear diffuser la type tv yate chrome de dikhi ase amen bro both side te thakibo and yate Apex edition la yate beijing dikhi ase so back profile dibi itu one accessories kit te install kuri dije and side tv dikhi side skirt ase and interior ekdam important ho jay when we are buying a new car interior ekdam luxury premium dikhule mon to yate bi ase yate keyless thakibo and age de du jodi apnen V variant du loise bole this is V variant second base door panel to plastic e thakije holibi eta to than yate soft touch leather de yate include kuri dise to door panel sabi man sundor dikhi ase and here are different controls even apni yate rabi ORVM du control kurule paribo and itu jaga de saise bole dashboard ekdam premiumness add kurule karne even yate bi soft touch leather include kuri dikina ase all over from one end to the other and seat la side pra door panel pra saise bole all over yate thakibo and aru ekta ekdam bhal du yate Apex la logo thakibo and seat cover bi ase idu fully soft touch leather te thakibo so itula costing kan bi nearly yate Honda han bra kodu 12,000 is now olai goise so just imagine apni 15,000 you are getting most of the kits itu hoi jabo tala front de and you get here or ekdom important ete push start button thakibo and ita moi dikhabo apni de sabi just look at the ambient lighting so itu ekdom sundur dikhi ase gari do moi apni ke bitor ra dikhai dibo passenger side tv yate door panel de bi same thakibo soft touch leather thakibo with soft touch seat covers adjustable headrest 60/40 split seat thakibo and even yate backrest karne bi yate duita pillow dikina ase with apex la yate branding backside partial tray thakibo ambient lighting sob bitore thakibo from back door connected ase and just look at the ambient lighting so sundur dikhina ni dekhe do let me know in the comment section moi karne ekdom sundur dikhi ase here you get touch screen infotainment system thakibo automatic climate control ase 6-speed gearbox 2 cup holders and yate armrest bi thakibo and steering do tilt and telescopic ase yate voice command bi thakibo call khan bi access korle parbo if you connect your infotainment system with the bluetooth apni la phone de connect korisule and you get here digital and analog instrumental cluster and yate bi choto ekta button dikhi ase apni han so itu apni press korise bole you can see different information trip a trip b and itu plus minus dabai jole apni different information kan apni han yate ra dikhibo so itu hoi jabo tela infotainment system and this is the dashboard ambient lighting ra ekdom sundur dikhi ase do let me know in the comment section how does the dashboard look so this is Honda Elevate second base V variant with apex kits front profile saise bole top variant is na dekhe just look at the DRL ekdom powerful ase itu DRL do apni physically saise bole do wow kobo and you get here LED headlight fog light nai but top variant no de compare korise bole that's all similar khali yate fog light nai itu ase noli do everything is similar and itu he beshi aro sundur dikhe because you get here side skirt so that's the short difference moi apnen ge janai di ase apnen jodi top variant logole mon ase bole do itu la extra price ase 15,41,000 and if you want to purchase V which is second best variant you get all the features here even push start button bi ase so itu la extra price ase 12,71,000 and VX la extra price ase 14,10,000 so itu apex edition do you will pay 15,000 extra itu do khali V or VX variant de he thakibo de kone dibi janai di ase base variant and top variant de itu do include na thakibo so itu apex edition logode apni jodi V variant loise bole you are getting exterior sportier feeling and even premium interior apni pabo de koina itu video ra moi apni ge janai di ase and suppose if you want to buy through finance easily available as you just need to pay around 15% is na down payment will depend upon your civil score apni ki kam kori bolibi finance pra pai jabo apni khali phone call koribi description box te moi contact number rakhi dibo phone call koribi you can book online and even ask details about the cars features kan karne bi apni khudi bole parbo so that's all with the video about apex edition if this video was informative and helpful do help me to grow subscribe episode thank you that's all let's meet in the next vlog